Welcome back to Fame Finder. Today, we're diving into one of the latest and perhaps most controversial turns in the ongoing saga of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. Imagine being a former royal, a global figure, embroiled in a complicated legal battle over security. It's a tough situation, but there are formal avenues, right? Diplomacy, legal actions, official appeals. But it seems Meghan may have taken things in an unexpected direction. Allegedly, she's facing accusations of tampering with evidence, using a fake NYPD letter to support Prince Harry's security case. It's the kind of plot twist that raises serious questions. What's really happening behind the palace walls, and what does it mean for the couple moving forward? Let's unpack this story, its shocking details, and explore the potential consequences for Meghan, Harry, and their public image. Setting the stage, why the security fight matters. Before we dive into the allegations surrounding Meghan, let's understand the root of the security struggle Prince Harry's been facing. When Harry and Meghan stepped down from royal duties in 2020, they lost the official funding for their security. For Harry, this loss wasn't just inconvenient, it's a matter of personal safety. He's argued time and again that, as a high-profile figure constantly under media scrutiny, he faces unique threats when he's in the UK. He believes he deserves official police protection while he's there. Now, you might be wondering why Harry doesn't just hire private security. After all, he's got the resources. But for Harry, it's not just about safety, it's about principle. Official police protection carries a weight and authority that private security simply can't match. In his eyes, it's a recognition of his status and the risks he faces. The alleged interference, Meghan's supposed misstep. So, where does Meghan's alleged tampering come in? Here's where things get murky. Reports claim that Meghan used a questionable NYPD letter to bolster Harry's case for security. This letter supposedly contained details that would show the couple faces security risks in the US, too, something that could add weight to Harry's argument for protection in the UK. But then came the twist. Law enforcement and legal experts noticed inconsistencies in the letter. Questions about its authenticity quickly arose. Why would Meghan risk tampering with evidence? Was it desperation, a calculated move, or just a serious misunderstanding? Either way, the decision seems to have backfired, casting a shadow over their case and damaging their credibility. Think about it. When you're dealing with something as sensitive as legal evidence, even the slightest error can have huge ramifications. Have you ever heard of a more bizarre turn in a legal saga involving royalty? Consequences in court. The judge's swift reaction. Naturally, judges don't take kindly to any form of tampering, especially in high-profile cases. When the truth about the letter surfaced, the court was reportedly harsh. Meghan received a stern warning and could even face fines or be banned from future hearings in this case. And in a case like this, every move matters. This alleged tampering could add a new level of complexity to Harry's fight for security, casting doubt on the strength of their argument and impacting their reputation in a very public way. It's a reminder of how even the smallest missteps can unravel the most carefully managed narratives. Think about it. Would you risk everything on a letter if you believed it could tip the scales in your favor? Public perception, royals and the court of public opinion. But let's step away from the courtroom for a moment. There's the legal battle, and then there's the public spectacle. For Meghan and Harry, their image is everything. Their journey away from the traditional royal path has stirred intense public opinion, some supportive, others skeptical. This alleged fake letter incident has only added fuel to the fire. Every misstep or controversy, whether it's an outfit choice or an alleged legal blunder, influences public perception. And in today's world, public perception can be as powerful as any court ruling. For their fans, this might seem like a small misstep, but for their critics, it could confirm suspicions they've held all along. The question is, can Meghan and Harry navigate through this storm, or will it mark a turning point in their public journey? Damage control, what Meghan and Harry can do next. So, where do they go from here? With every move scrutinized, they'll need to tread carefully to turn this around. Here are a few strategies they might consider to regain control of their narrative. Transparency. Addressing the issue head-on could be their best option. Whether this incident was a mistake, miscommunication, or something else entirely, Meghan and Harry might be able to mitigate the damage by being open and honest. After all, people value authenticity, even in missteps. Expert legal counsel. Given the high stakes, it's time to bring in top-notch legal professionals who can handle cases of this magnitude. They'll need a team that can protect their reputation and ensure no further issues arise. Media management. Meghan and Harry have always been proactive in shaping their public image. This might be the perfect moment for them to tell their side of the story in a calculated, authentic way. They have the media savvy to do it right. Philanthropic engagement. They could also steer the public's focus back to their charitable work. Reminding people of their humanitarian efforts could help balance the scales and keep their positive contributions in the spotlight. If they take these steps, Meghan and Harry might be able to prevent further fallout. But it remains to be seen if they can truly regain the trust of a skeptical public. Lessons from other royal scandals. Scandals and royalty are almost synonymous. From King Edward VIII's abdication to Princess Diana's media battles, the royal family has been a fixture of public scrutiny. Each situation is unique, but common themes always emerge: public perception, loyalty, and, often, redemption. Royals are held to a high moral standard, and any breach of that trust can be deeply felt by fans and critics alike. For Meghan and Harry, this alleged letter incident is more than just a minor blunder. It's a challenge to their credibility and the image they've worked so hard to cultivate. Looking forward, what's next for Meghan and Harry? Despite the controversy, Meghan and Harry have big plans. They want to use their influence to bring about positive change, and they've stepped away from traditional royal duties to pursue this independent path. But with independence comes scrutiny, and after the letter controversy, they might have to be even more cautious. This incident could be a chance to showcase their resilience. They have the resources, the media savvy, and the public platform to rebuild their reputation if they handle this issue well. Final reflections. The importance of credibility. This situation highlights a valuable lesson for anyone in the public eye. Credibility is crucial. When public figures are accused of wrongdoing, their response can shape their legacy. For Meghan and Harry, this moment could be transformative. Will they face the challenge, admit any mistakes, and continue working for the causes they champion? Or will this scandal overshadow their efforts? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the world is watching.